Best speech on Independence Day.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, on 15th of August 2025, we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of India. This day is not just a date on the calendar. It is the story of our nation's struggle, sacrifices, and dreams. On this very day in 1947, India broke the chains of British rule and became free. But this freedom came at a high cost. Thousands of freedom fighters, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, and countless others gave their lives so that we could live in a free nation. Freedom is not a gift we received by chance. It is a legacy we inherited through blood, sweat, and sacrifice. But today, we must ask ourselves, are we truly respecting that sacrifice? Is freedom only about hoisting the flag and singing the anthem once a year? True freedom means freedom from corruption, freedom from poverty and illiteracy, freedom from discrimination of caste, religion, freedom to dream and to live with dignity. As citizens, our responsibility is not just to enjoy our rights, but also to fulfill our duties. A nation becomes great not by the speeches of leaders alone, but by the actions of its people. Friends, let us take a flag today. We will be honest in our work, respectful to others, and dedicated to making our country better. We will dream not only for ourselves but for our nation, because when we change, the nation changes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.